Hello guys, today we will talk about what is list in Python. A list is a sequence of values. You could visualize a list as a container that holds a number of items that could be of any data type. So if we have any list, let's say animals, and it have some animals name, let's say lion, elephant, and we add more, one more, tiger. So we have add three number of animals in our list that is separated by comma inside that square bracket. So this is how we can uh, declare a list in Python. So we have declare a list and initialize it with three different animal name separated by comma. In Python, a list contain items of varying data type. If we have another list, let's say names and ages, and we have some names, let's say David, and another other name, let's say John, and some numbers indicating ages. So lists can be contain any data type values, whether it could be a number or it could be any string. So print both of that list. So by printing both that list, we will see it's give us values of both list we have initialized. Next thing we will see about Python list is that uh, by using len function, as we have used len function in Python string to get the number of characters in that string. So len function is also used with a list to get actual number of elements in that list. If we implies len function on that animal list, so you can see it's giving us 3, indicating that animals contain 3 elements. Let's implies that on second list too. So names and ages, so it will give us 4, indicating that it has 4 element. Next thing we will see that how to access a list element, a single list element. So by using index of that list, we will get uh, a single element of that list. If we want to just pick up the element that is on index 1, so 0 1 2, but we want to pick the element on index 1, so we will just print list name. In our case we have list animals, and inside that square bracket we will pass the index we want to access. So if we want to access the second element, we will pass 1, as list starts from index 0 1 2. So element is element 1 is elephant, so by printing that animal and giving index 1, we will see it gives us elephant. So you can also select a range of item by specifying two indexes separated by colon. Let's say we want to get elements between two ranges. So if we have any other, let's say ages, any list ages 25 26 24 26, let's add an unique value, and 30. If I pass 1 colon 5, 4, as we have only 5 elements, so we have to be in range. So its name animals is not defined. Oh sorry, we have to put it here as ages. So you can see it's giving us 26 24 and 28. So you notice that it does not actually include the upper index specified, means fourth index. I specified 1 colon 4, but it only returned me three values, 26, 24 and 28. Python only returns list items up to but not including the upper index we specified. So it will return from first index to uh, upper indexed one less than upper index. So it will not include the fourth indexed value. It will give us one less to the index we have specified here. You can also use a negative index to start counting from end of the list. In this case, the counts start at -1. -1 mean last element, -2 for second last, and so on. If I give -1 as index, so notice it's giving me 30, as -1 indicates the last element of that list. So -1, by printing age is -1, it gives us 30. Let's change it to -2, so this time it will give us 28, as -2 indicates the second last element of our list. So uh, if we use negative indexes, it start from end of that list. You can change a list item, like if we want to update any value, we can change it like ages, and inside that square bracket any index, the index where we want to update the value, means let's say we want to update the value at index 1. So new value after equal, we will give the new value which will replace the existing value in that list. So let's say any value 35. So let's print before updating, print that list before updating the value, and once again print after updating the value. So see the difference. So here at first index we are seeing 26, as we are printing the original list as we have initialized, but after updating the value we see 26 is replaced by 35, as we have mentioned to replace that first indexed value with 35. So it's update our list with 35. Next we will see how can we add an items in a list. So by using append function, let's say we have same list ages, and we want to add new value at the end of that list. So we will use append function ages dot append, and inside that bracket we will pass the new value we want to add in that our list. So let's say we add any value 51. So after adding, let's print that list to see the change in that list. So we have initialized 5 values, but after appending 51, it's add 51 at the end of that list. So by using append function we can add any value to our list. Next we will see how to delete an element from the list. So we have del function to delete any item from list. So if we have a keyword del, after that keyword we will name our list, and inside that square bracket we will pass the index of item that we want to remove from that list. So in our case, if we want to remove that second index, so we will pass 2. And now if we print the ages, you can see second element 24 is not our list, as we have delete the second element by using del keyword. Del keyword is a keyword, not a function. So by using del we have delete specific uh, specific indexed item from list. So we pass 2, it deletes 24 from list and print uh, our list without second indexed value. Today, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.